Welcome to today's training in Eternal Rest Giselle. Start by holding your legs. Now nod your head. Next, massage your hamstrings with a roller ball. I usually do this before training. The roller ball helps me improve the flexibility of my hamstrings. This is important, and I do this every single day so I can feel better before training. Now let's move into the cat pose. Stomach in and out, in, and try to do the cat pose with me. Now the downward dog. Let me tell you something. Last year I was in a stressful office job, just like many people have. My muscles were stiff from sitting for so long, and I found these beginner exercises to be a great way to release tension. You can alternate them with swimming to further relax and loosen up your body. Remember to go up your own pace. Now I will guide you through the principal poses. Let's start with the plank. Now legs up. This is part of my ballet routine. So raise your leg while in the plank position. Now sit down and move into the pigeon pose. Gently move your arms towards the sides. Now let's do the bridge pose. Before going to that, I move my arms one side to the other, and now bridge pose. Open and close your legs while in the bridge, and try to do the pointe with your feet. Next, make circular movements with your legs to loosen your hips. Relax for a moment and then massage your back by rocking back and forth. Stretch into the plow pose, so we say halasana in yoga, and then transition into the boat pose. Roll back and return to the boat pose again. Stretch your hamstrings deeply. Stretch your hamstrings. Open your hips in a lying lotus position and alternate your legs. Now some abs, alternating by raising one leg and then the other. Now the cat pose again. Stomach in. Now the plank again. Alternating your legs. Raise one leg and then raise the other leg, and now we're going to move into the ragdoll pose, adding a gentle massage to your lower back. Now I use my roller ball for my hamstrings and my lower back, but now you can see that I am massaging my hamstrings. I stretch. Now squat down and push your knees outward using your elbows. This is a beginner-friendly attempt at Malasana Yoga, let's say yoga squat. For those more advanced, you may try lifting your feet, but it's optional. Next is the froggy pose, followed by the cobra pose. Feel the stretch and relax. Now the cobra. Return to plank and then raise your hips while going on pointe. This helps improve the flexibility of your feet and metatarsals, but make sure to do it carefully. Finally, raise your feet and relax. Baby pose. Stretching, and this part is just simply a relaxing part where you can stretch and massage your hamstrings. Final steps, and then you continue with a relaxing massage. I hope guys you have enjoyed this session. Basically it's for beginners and for people who work at office. I also also recommend swimming at the beach, and with these exercises you will be recovering your body.